the question we're asking is, what is the best compact street photography camera? This is the latest version. This is the HDF version. You can see that on here because the button here has HDF. So by default, that's set to a high diffusion filter on there. So that will give the highlights a nice bloom. And yeah, I have just been over the moon with the quality of the images coming out of this camera. On the front of here, I have actually added a filter on the front here. It stops the dust from getting into the lens. I did a video on about the dust being sucked in when you turn the camera on and getting onto the sensor. So this has prevented that. And as you can see, it's nice and flush to the lens itself. It doesn't create too much. Well, the body cap still goes on there absolutely perfectly. The body cap is not included with the camera when you buy it. So this is a metal body cap, and this is the original Ricoh version. I'll list this in the description below so you know where to get all these items. On the back here, I have a thumb grip. Let's just take that cap off, turn it on. So that balances the camera out for me. So when I'm shooting on the street, this just seems to be a really natural way of holding the camera with my thumb just positioned there. And yeah, I would normally have my wrist strap, which I've connected to the bottom location instead of the top, because if it's on the top, I just find it gets in the way. And that would be my handheld for the day. Just super easy, super quick startup, which makes it perfect for street photography because you don't want to miss a moment. You might have noticed that the GR3 does not have a flash. There's no pop-up flash, there's no built-in flash. So I've got around that by, we can take off that thumb grip. This is the Godox IM20 compact flash. And I found that this is a really nice compact flash unit for the GR3. It's really close to the lens, so you get minimum shadowing if you're shooting portraits or shooting people. And it's rechargeable via USB-C. These are your power settings on the back here. So yeah, that just about covers off the flash issue, or the lack of flash on the GR3. Now I'm going to list 4 videos of mine that I've shot, street photography videos that I've shot with this camera. I'll list that at the end. And yeah, this is by far the king of street photography. So the beauty about having something like the Ricoh GR3 is you can just put it in your pocket. You don't need to carry a camera bag. The batteries are absolutely tiny. I don't have an SD card in there, I can see that. So batteries are absolutely tiny, so you can carry a few of these around without having to carry a camera bag. I'm not a fan of carrying a camera bag around when I'm doing street photography. I just find they get in the way, and I just hate straps over my shoulder. But yeah, Ricoh GR3, HDF, by far my favorite street photography camera. I've never been too happy with the build quality of it, if I'm honest. Although it is metal in design, I do feel it's a little bit, I don't know, a little bit tacky in the hand, and I'd like to see the design refined in future models. So that was my quick review of the best street photography camera in my opinion, the Ricoh GR3. I will list all of these accessories in the description below, and yeah, as I said, I will put all of those videos that I've shot with the GR3, all my street photography videos on the screen now. Some of them are shot with the HDF functionality. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this camera. Is it something you're thinking of purchasing? Is it something you own? So thank you very much for watching today's video, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.